In this tutorial, you'll learn how to convert your TikTok Paylater credits into cash. This process can be particularly useful if you're looking to access funds quickly or utilize your credits in a different way. We will guide you through each step to ensure a smooth transaction. So let's get started. So first, open the TikTok app. While we're in the TikTok app, make sure that your account is logged in. As you can see, mine is already logged in. After you log into your TikTok app, tap on the Profile tab, which is located at the bottom right of the screen. While we're in the Profile tab, tap the Menu tab, which is located at the top right of the screen to open the menu. The menu appears at the bottom. While we're in the Menu tab, tap on the Balance tab so that we can proceed. While we're in the Balance tab, tap on the Live Rewards tab so that we can proceed. It takes a few seconds to load, so wait for it. Now that we're in the Live Rewards tab, make sure that you have the balance to do the transaction. If you did, just click the Exchange button to proceed. As you can see, mine has no balance, so I can't proceed. That's why my Exchange button is disabled. By following the steps, you can successfully convert your TikTok Paylater credits into cash using Gcash. This method allows you to utilize your credits flexibly and access funds when needed. If you encounter any issues during the process, check TikTok's Help Center or Gcash for assistance.